Ever wondered how the Indian Premier League, also known as the IPL, became one of the most exciting cricket leagues in the world? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a journey through time and reveal the thrilling history of the IPL and what's in store for the IPL 2024. The IPL story began in 2007 when the Board of Control for Cricket in India, or BCCI, conceived the idea of the 2020 Cricket League. Launched with much fanfare in 2008, the IPL has grown exponentially over the years, gaining popularity across the globe. It's not just a cricket league, it's a combination of sports, entertainment, and business, creating a spectacle like no other. As the years rolled on, the IPL saw some of the brightest talents in cricket, unforgettable matches, and nail-biting finishes. It also witnessed its fair share of controversies, but that's a story for another day. What remains constant is the passion, the excitement, and the spirit of cricket that the IPL embodies. Fast forward to today, and we're waiting with bated breath for the IPL 2024. The participating teams, the schedule, the venues, everything is yet to be announced, but the anticipation is palpable. Each year, the IPL brings something new and exciting to the table, and 2024 will be no exception. The organizer of IPL 2024 is, as always, the BCCI. They are the ones who make the magic happen, ensuring that each year is bigger and better than the last. As for the sponsor of IPL 2024, that's a closely guarded secret, but rest assured it will be a name that matches the grandeur and the excitement of the IPL. In conclusion, the IPL is not just a cricket league. It's a phenomenon that has revolutionized the game of cricket. From its inception in 2008 to the upcoming IPL 2024, the IPL has been a roller coaster ride of excitement, passion, and unforgettable cricketing moments. So as we wait for the IPL 2024 schedule to be announced, let's celebrate the journey of the IPL and look forward to another thrilling season of cricket. After all, the IPL is not just a game, it's a way of life.